Good day, I'm Tracy McCormick, and this is the McCormick Media Minute. Today's minute is the third installment on great vertical categories for local media in 2023, and it was inspired by research conducted by SalesFuel and BIA Advisory Services. In this installment, we'll discuss the auto category, and more specifically, auto repair, as a great prospecting category for 2023. This is a very exciting new category, and digital platforms like OTT and CTV will give this category tremendous potential. I'll bet you'll never guess how long the average person keeps their car for now. Take a guess. 7 years? 10 years? Actually, the average vehicle on the road is over 12 years old now. Inventory shortages, increased prices by local dealers, and increased interest rates are causing vehicle owners to repair what they have rather than buy a new car. You know what happens to a car after 5 years on the road? Things start to break down, big time. And adults with over $75,000 in income are more likely to look for a do-it-for-me type of repair. They're not going to do it themselves. They have more money than time, so they'll take it to the dealer or to a local repair shop. So whether you want to work with your Tier 3 auto dealers to convince them to advertise service parts and tires during this time, or if you want to work with a local repair shop in your market, the kind of geo-targeting, walk-in attribution, and outcomes-based marketing that we can offer now makes all the sense in the world for them. I'm Tracy McCormick, and I hope you found this minute valuable.